Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm itskylabi, and I'm laughing because I just said hi guys once again. But pretty much this hair was sent to me from West Kiss Hair, and I'm showing you guys when I first got it. This was March 1st, 2017. I had just finished washing it after I made it into a wig and everything. So this is another time, which was around March 23rd, the timestamps on the video. That's why I know the exact date last year. But pretty much I was just showing you guys how I wore the hair before I damaged the shit out of it. It was so long. I love this hair. Oh my gosh. I would actually buy hair from them because I actually really like this. And I've learned from my mistake. So I start off by washing the hair after I dyed it. I bleached this hair with 40 developer. Do not just use 40 developer on your hair. It is not advisable. Do not do that on your own natural hair. Do not do that on me. Just don't. It's just not good. Go and watch a real how to dye, how to tone hair to know how to do this. So I bought silicone mix off of Amazon. This shit saved my hair. Yes. You need to detangle from bottom to top in order for you not to lose as much hair. I actually didn't lose as much hair, but from the process of me dyeing this hair, I've lost hair in totality because the hair is so dry now, and that's why this silicone mix is really good. This is the one that you just leave in, so it's like a conditioner, and this really helped the hair. It was so hard to comb the hair out at first, especially when there was water on it, and then when I used this and left it on for an hour and a half, even if they say 2 to 3 minutes, but it depends on the condition of the hair anyway. This treatment is supposed to help it stay there. To get softer. So it really did do that. So I'm very happy with this product. I'm glad I bought it. This is something you should just have, honestly, just to treat your weave once in a while. Because I actually don't take care of my weave that much. When I feel like I'm done with that style for a while, I'll just put it inside. I'll just put it on my wall, put it inside a bag, and just leave it there. Because I just really don't care. But why wouldn't you care if you spent how much money on it? I don't know. I don't know why I've never really cared. Okay, anyway. After that, I use Shimmer Lights. It's a shampoo. It helps with the color of the hair because sometimes when you bleach your hair, it gets super brassy and has some gray sides or some light sides, and this is supposed to just help. And this also has a conditioner, which I didn't use because I don't have the conditioner. So you can just use a regular conditioner. I actually did not condition it after this at all, which I should have, but I was I don't know. So when I do just happen to wash it with regular shampoo next time, I'll just condition it for a while and also put a treatment on it. So after that, I just leave it in there, wash it, rinse it out to get it to be clean, squeaky clean, no soap. And I just showed you guys the frontal. The frontal is pretty weak. I'm going to talk about the hair itself after the video. The hair is pretty weak, not after the video, but after I show you guys what I did pretty much. So I air dried the hair and I left it. I actually washed 2 weaves that day. So I wear a cap whenever I wear wigs because it just helps easier, especially if the wig has a comb. I hate when the comb touches my hair itself because it hurts, if you understand that struggle. So I parted the hair in the middle part because that's how I wanted to wear it. So I just tried to blow dry it, make it straight, and then after a couple days I just showed you guys it curled. I was going to brunch that day, so I decided to curl the hair. So I'm just showing you guys different stages of this hair: straight, not bleached, bleached, curled, super curled, just wavy, just so you guys can have an idea in case if you want to buy this hair in any way. I really think this is really good hair. This is something I would buy with my own money, even if this wasn't sent to me. So I'm very happy with the results of this hair. All I would say is if you're bleaching your hair, know how to bleach it, or give it to a professional hairstylist that knows what they're doing, instead of you doing damaging the hair, which I did. So when I realized that putting this on my hair wasn't going to work, I just took some T-pin, put it on a mannequin head and started straightening and drying it out. So I cut it after all of that, did that, and I cut the hair. So I'm going to talk about the hair now, so you guys can just see the process of, going through. Now, this hair was sent to me last year in March, and we're currently in February 19th. So I've almost had it for almost a year. A lot of times you realize that you have hair, but you keep on buying more and more hair. Like, that's just not what I like to do, because I like to wear braids and I like to change my hair quite frequently. I need something that is like a staple in between my changes. So hair like this is perfect for me. I really like the texture of this hair. The longevity has held to its true status. I'm just wondering, if I didn't bleach this hair, I would absolutely have this hair for way longer than I even anticipated. So I give this hair a solid 8 if we're being honest. Like, I don't know why I don't give things a 10. I just don't. Like, even my teachers, I'll be like, strongly agree. No, I'll be like, agree, not strongly agree. Yeah, I really like this hair, and I hope I have been able to just show you things that you could help do to your hair so you can make it more manageable for you.